let's make my mommy's buffalo chicken wrap.
This is a really yummy lunch to do with leftover buffalo chicken, or you can just make the buffalo chicken for this. So what are we doing here?
We're flippity-floppity flipping them.
The chicken in what? Do you know?
Olive oil.
Right. And do you know why we're using olive oil on the chicken?
To help the dry rub stick.
That's exactly right. See, you're going to know how to make chicken so well when you're all grown up. And we're putting olive oil on both sides of the chicken because why? Do you know?
We want this chicken to be extra seasoned.
Right. And it'll help it stick to both sides. And it also does lock in the moisture of the chicken. And now we're making our spice rub. We've got a mixture of cayenne, paprika,
salt, and garlic powder.
And black pepper. Oh. And you mixy.
Mixy.
And then what? Shaky.
And then you go flippity floppity flip.
Right, to help distribute.
Stickity stick.
Stickity stick. That's a new one. I like it.
Why, thank you.
And you want that to cover both sides of your chicken breast so that it is nice and flavored and not chickeny.
No chickeny. Spicity.
I like that. Spicity. And apply it liberally. There's probably about 3 to 4 tablespoons of seasoning on this chicken. But that's what makes it so good. And now what are we doing?
You flippity floppity flip.
Right. So you can see that the spice gets pretty much all over the chicken. And the great part about this is you can make a bigger batch of this and make it once and use it for like 3 to 4 different things, including these wraps. So you can put the grilled chicken in your fridge and then you are done. And once everything is flippied, you're going to pop it into the fridge and make your buffalo sauce.
French stuff, aka French.
Right. And that goes into melted butter and garlic. And you're just going to cook the garlic in the melted butter until it gets fragrant. And then you stir in the franks until it forms an emulsion and gets all smooth. Now, if you don't want to do this, it's totally fine to use store-bought buffalo sauce. But we like to make homemade. My husband is sort of a buffalo sauce snob, so he feels like this is just the way to go. But honestly, if you're short on time, whatever you need to do works.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're heating up a grill pan over medium-high heat, or you could heat up a grill over medium-high heat, and we are going to grill the chicken breasts for 3 to 5 minutes per side.
Whoa.
Do you know when the chicken breasts are done cooking?
They bubble?
No, they don't bubble. Well, when they're done cooking on one side, I guess I should say, they pull away from the pan and they're easy to flip. If you are not ready to flip it, it'll stick and pull off the chicken.
Oh, like a pancake.
Kind of, only, I guess, do pancakes stick? I guess so.
Yeah.
And then once it's all done, you're going to let it rest. And you are going to slice it and toss it or drizzle it in the buffalo sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff. And you can use as much or as little buffalo sauce as you like. Now we are taking a flour tortilla. That's right. Do you know what that is?
Cheese?
It's blue cheese dressing. You could use ranch dressing, whatever you like. My husband likes Caesar dressing, but the creamy Caesar. Then
more cheese.
Yep. Some cheddar, but you could use crumbled blue cheese since it is a buffalo chicken wrap. And we're going to take about 3 or 4 strips of the buffalo chicken and just put it right in that wrap. You don't want to overfill it too much because then the wrap won't close and that's sad. And then we're putting a little bit of lettuce. You can totally skip that if you want, but adding a little bit of greenery is good and some more buffalo sauce. And then
fold it.
Right, and you're going to fold it like a little baby burrito.
And you cut it up and then you eat it.
And where's the recipe?
Seasonsprinkles.com. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe for more. Enjoy.